seat there. That's it, great.
My name is Jana Kapper, and I'm a group CEO of Billigence. We are boutique AI and data science consultancy with offices across the globe. We have a history with Macquarie University from the administration side, and we wanted to give back and support a unique university in Australia.
I'm Leonie Tickle, Executive Dean of Macquarie Business School. In this role, I oversee the quality of our education, the student experience, building partnerships, and driving research with real societal impact. Partnerships like this one with Billigence are how we make sure our graduates are future ready, not just qualified for their first role, but equipped to adapt, lead, and thrive throughout their careers. Our partnership with Billigence works so well for a few reasons. First, there's a genuine shared purpose. Both sides deeply care about developing the next generation of talent, and that creates a strong foundation to build from. Second, there's real alignment. Billigence understands what students need: exposure to industry tools, cutting-edge methods, and the current issues that matter, and they're willing to lean in and help us deliver that. It's a real working relationship, and that's what makes it effective. Finally, we share a similar collaborative culture. Both of our organisations are approachable, partnership-oriented, and aligned in our commitment to developing future-ready graduates.
We see the absolute opportunity to give back to students who love analytics, who love AI, who want to pursue the career in advanced analytics, and give them opportunity to go and spend time with us through internships, as well as reward excellence in trying to achieve their best.
One of the most valuable aspects of our partnership with Billigence is that it strengthens the connection between our curriculum and real-world practice. Students can see that what they're learning maps to what organisations like Billigence actually do day to day, and that's incredibly valuable. Another great aspect of our Billigence partnership is that it's multidimensional. It spans sponsored prizes, graduate and intern roles, guest lectures in our classes, and sponsorship of capstone projects.
We believe that there is something special about Macquarie University, and that's why we chose to specifically and uniquely work with this university, because of its diversity, striving for excellence, and overall contribution to the Australian education sector. We see the next biggest opportunity will be contributing to the curriculum with our AI and data science advancements.
To any organisation considering a partnership with Macquarie Business School, do come and talk to us. There are lots of ways to get involved. You can host student talent, offer mentoring, sponsor a prize or scholarship, or collaborate on a research project. We're flexible and will tailor the engagement to what makes sense for you. What you get in return is access to emerging talent, a real connection to the students who'll be entering your industry, and genuine visibility with a cohort that's paying attention to who's investing in their development. The first step is just a conversation. We look forward to working with you.